Can you solve this quadratic equation by factorization method? To solve a quadratic equation where the leading coefficient is more than 1, we have 5x squared minus 11x plus 2 is equals to 0. To solve it, first thing you have to do to solve this is to multiply the leading coefficient to the last term. You have the leading coefficient to be 5 and the last term to be 2. Their product will be what? 10, right? So you have to think of two numbers that once you multiply them, you get 10, but if you add them, you get minus 11. The two factors are what? Minus 1 and what? Minus 10. Minus 1 times minus 10 is plus 10. And minus 1 plus minus 10 is minus 11. So you have to use this factor to expand the middle term. 5x squared minus, the first term is minus 1x, is just x. Then the next term is minus 10x, then plus 2 is equals to 0. These are where the two factors plays a very good role. So these two, we group the first term and group the what? Second term, okay? So what do? We factor out the common term between 5x squared and minus x. The common term is x. I'm left with 5x. If I factor it, I have minus 1. Then between minus 10 and 2, I can factor out what? Minus 2, minus 2. I'll be left with what? 5x. Then this will now change to minus 1, and that's 0. So I'm going to use, since these middle terms are the same, I can now write that 5x minus 1 in a unit bracket, and this one, which is x and minus what? 2. This is equals to 0. In quadratics, when two terms multiply to be 0, we have to equate each term to be 0. So for us to do that, we have it that 5x minus 1 is equals to 0 for the first term. So to get x, we subtract 1 from, we add 1 from both sides. 5x is equals to 1. Divide through by 5 and divide by 5. If you divide by 5, x is equals to 1 over 5. Then for the second value, we have that x minus 2 is equals to 0. We add 2 to both sides. It means that x is equals to 2. So x is 2 and x is 1 over 5. Like and share for more exciting math tips like this.